Hello, friends. This coming weekend is Good Shepherd Sunday. The fourth Sunday of the Easter season is dedicated to the theme of Jesus, the shepherd of our souls. And I thought it would be fitting to talk to you a little bit about the Good Shepherd. What are the functions of a Good Shepherd? What does he do for us? The Good Shepherd is an image used by Jesus, especially in John's Gospel. He draws that out and he talks in one part of the Gospel about the shepherd, another one comparing himself to the gate for the sheep, and the third one talks about the sheep themselves who listen to his voice. It was an appropriate image because there are lots of sheep in the land where Jesus walked, lived, and died. And so it's an image to which his followers could relate. So there are three functions of a shepherd as we think about that, and they apply to our lives here today. The first function is a shepherd protects his sheep. Wolves and other creatures were a danger to the sheep and thus to the shepherd's livelihood. And so the shepherd needed to protect them from danger, from these wolves and wild beasts. And he would use his crook, his staff, to guide the sheep and to hook them if they needed to be brought into a line. But he also used it to ward off the wolves. And we need that as well. The Good Shepherd continues to protect us from danger. When we call on him, especially through the St. Michael prayer in spiritual warfare, we get the protection that we need. So it's very important that we realize that the Lord is here to protect us from danger. The second function of a Good Shepherd is to guide us. In that part of the world, the shepherds would take their sheep out early in the morning and let them graze, and he would guide them. He would show them where they needed to go. They recognized his voice. Each person has a distinctive voice pattern, and the sheep come to recognize it, and they won't follow any shepherd whose voice does not match that pattern. The Lord is here to guide us. He wants to lead us to eternal pastures, and he guides us through his church, the Catholic Church, through the scriptures as interpreted by the Church's official teachers. The Lord wants to guide us to a rich and full life. He calls us to follow him as sheep follow a shepherd, knowing that he has the best in store for us. He wants the best for us. And the shepherd knows where to guide us. He knows ultimately where we should end up, and he knows how to get us there. Our part is to follow him. That's most difficult because sometimes we have our own ideas about how our lives should go. And yet, the Lord has the best way in store for us. So the Lord is here to guide us. And the third function of a shepherd is to feed us. The shepherd leads the sheep out to pastures where they are fed and leads them to streams of water where they are watered. The Lord feeds us with the gift of his word and the gift of the Eucharist, which if we receive frequently, devoutly, and with repentance in our heart for sins, is a source of tremendous spiritual nourishment. We have to be willing to be fed by him, led by him, and protected by him. So those are three functions of a Good Shepherd. Enjoy this Good Shepherd's Sunday and Mother's Day weekend, and allow yourself to be led by Jesus, the shepherd of our souls. God bless you.